Good morning, dear graduates, dear Dr. Shams Kasimlakha, the chairman of the Board of Trustees. I think uh, I think we have a translation going on from from my national language. Dear graduates, dear friends, dear members of the Board of Trustees, dear graduates who are getting a new way to their life, starting their life, and also here in Naryn and Khorog. Um, I wish to have a special thanks to the founders of the university, comfortable created for your education, and great thanks to the academicians, teachers who have been passing the best of their knowledge and powerful skills to achieve your goals and realize your dreams. And we think that you are the holders of the best professions, the IT, communication. You are the most wanted, required professionals nowadays. Currently, you are getting not only just the knowledge, however, analytical thinking, and all the ways you are thinking and creative thinking. Special thanks goes to the Aga Khan Foundation and his founder, and he is head His Highness Prince Aga Khan. We would like to have a special appreciation for his hard work and for all of the hard work that are delivered in this university to give the best of the knowledge. Today, the knowledge does not have any borders. You can see here, you can sit here and have a distance education from other countries, or the work you can work online and have salaries from other countries. But never forget, please, your alma mater who have been delivering all this knowledge and skills to you. And I just want you to to have your dreams, to have your identities, to have your uh, dreams and goals, because the person who does not dream, who does not have a goal, who doesn't have a target to go further, is lives alone. And that's why your goal, your dream, your project, your design gives you a shape to go further. And I call you not to be a very narrowed professor, but please be a person who holds a humanity level, who holds the integrity of the planet, who values the environment, who values the family and the planet. That's why if we have such kind of educated and critical thinking people, our planet will be stabilized and have a long-term resilience. Therefore, I think you have a great opportunity to become a major and successful person. The successful person from unsuccessful person is differentiated by only one factor, is a goodwill. The person who is successful is doing small steps every day to reach his goal, but unsuccessful person, he can say, I can sleep today and tomorrow maybe I will start, or we can start this work tomorrow and continue tomorrow. So this is the main factor. The Ministry of the Kyrgyz Republic on education is conducting deep transformation and reforms of the education system in the Kyrgyz Republic. every child should be having an education, and all comfortable conditions should be created in this state. And our partners, Agahan Development Network, will help us to achieve our goal and to conduct reforms, and also to translate 32 books and information uh, materials of the education system. These books should be accessible not only to the private schools, but also it should be accessible to every Kyrgyz citizen, and all Kyrgyz citizens have the equal right to be successful, educated, and well-knowledged. Dear friends, Kyrgyzstan is a great country, a friendly country, open country. It has very liberal views. I just had a small talk in the morning, Mr. Dr. Shams Hasimlakha. I was talking about Alam Mushrik. I was looking this picture that there was a strong energy, strong motivation, and it was very nice that innovative institutions are available in a high mountainous regions like Naryn and Khorog. And this is the key part that can be leading a high quality education and knowledge base for the country citizens. Once again, I would like to repeat that your success should be directed to the successful implementation of the project, successful resilience and development of the Kyrgyzstan, but not only Kyrgyzstan, but the whole planet. Thank you very much all. Dear graduates, you are holding now a gold key. No, most of our children didn't have such kind of opportunities. You have to be creative. You have to be productive. You have to be innovatively creative and be ready for the challenges of today's world. As uh, and and once people were saying that people with a great natural and nature could have the leading positions in the world, but it's vice versa. Now we have a people who are innovative thinking, who have creative and design thinking and innovative technologies, are leading the world. The people who are creative, for example, the conflicts that are related to the water, poor and economical conflicts, all of them, all of them, all of them also related to the conflicts who are interpersonal, and all of them are related to you. Dear, we wish you a good success and have a good graduation. Thank you.